AI is all about teaching computers to learn from data and experience, rather than being explicitly programmed for every task. One of the biggest concerns around AI is the potential for job displacement. HFT has become a controversial practice in recent years, with some critics arguing that it gives an unfair advantage. As the technology continues to evolve and mature, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and powerful tools for analyzing markets, managing risk, and generating alpha. Alright, let's really dive into the nitty-gritty of artificial intelligence and explore every nook and cranny of this fascinating field. From the early days of computer science to the cutting-edge research happening today, there's so much to unpack and discover. Let's start with a quick history lesson. The idea of intelligent machines has been around for centuries, but it wasn't until the 1950s that AI really started to take shape as a formal academic discipline. Back then, a group of visionary scientists and mathematicians came together at a conference in Dartmouth College to lay the groundwork for what would become one of the most transformative technologies of our time. Fast forward a few decades, and AI has come a long way. Today, we have machines that can recognize speech, translate languages, and even beat world champions at complex games like chess and Go. But how do these systems actually work? At a high level, AI is all about teaching computers to learn from data and experience, rather than being explicitly programmed for every task. Imagine you're trying to teach a computer to recognize different types of fruits. You might start by showing it thousands of pictures of apples, oranges, and bananas, along with labels indicating which is which. Over time, the algorithm would learn to identify the key features of each fruit and make accurate predictions when shown new images. Deep learning takes this idea even further by using artificial neural networks that mimic the structure and function of the human brain. These networks are made up of layers of interconnected nodes that process and analyze data in increasingly complex ways. By training these networks on massive amounts of data, researchers can create AI systems that can recognize speech, generate realistic images, and even compose music. But AI isn't just about mimicking human intelligence. It's also about augmenting and enhancing it. In fields like healthcare and finance, AI is being used to uncover insights and make decisions that would be impossible for humans alone. For example, imagine you're a doctor trying to diagnose a rare disease. With AI, you could feed a patient's symptoms and medical history into a machine learning algorithm that has been trained on millions of similar cases. The algorithm could then analyze the data and provide a list of potential diagnoses, along with their likelihood based on the available evidence. This could help doctors make more accurate and timely decisions. Or think about the world of finance, where AI is already playing a huge role in everything from fraud detection to portfolio optimization. By analyzing vast amounts of financial data in real time, these systems can identify patterns and anomalies that human analysts might miss. As with any powerful technology, there are also risks and challenges to consider. One of the biggest concerns around AI is the potential for job displacement. As machines become capable of automating more and more tasks currently performed by humans, there are also important ethical considerations to grapple with, such as bias and fairness in AI decision-making. As AI becomes more ubiquitous, it's crucial that we work to address these issues and ensure that the technology is being developed and deployed in a responsible and equitable way. But despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI are simply too great to ignore.
Interested in trading like Steven Dux? It all starts with choosing the right broker. Dux Trading has partnered with Centerpoint Securities to supercharge your trading journey. By joining Centerpoint Securities through Dux Trading, you can unlock CP Edge, a suite of top-tier trading tools valued at over $6,000 right at your fingertips. Gain an edge in your trading with real-time scanners, cutting-edge news, and a personalized trading journal. Experience trading like never before, with superior short inventory, dedicated support, buttery smooth trade execution, and the opportunity to earn interest on any of your idle funds. Plus, enjoy competitive pricing that suits your trading style. Ready to elevate your trading? Simply click the link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive back into the content.
For young people like you, the rise of AI represents an incredible opportunity. But even if you don't plan to work directly in AI, understanding the basics of this technology and its implications for society is becoming more and more essential. So where do you start? If you're curious about AI and want to learn more, there are plenty of resources available online. You could start by taking an introductory course in computer science or data analysis, or by exploring the many open-source AI frameworks and tools available for free. You could also get involved in local hackathons, robotics clubs, or other tech-related events where you can meet like-minded people and work on projects together. The key is to start small, stay curious, and never stop learning. With a little creativity and a lot of hard work, you might just come up with the next big breakthrough in AI. The possibilities are truly endless. Now let's circle back to the world of finance and take a closer look at how AI is revolutionizing the way we invest and trade. As we've seen, algorithmic trading is already a huge part of the modern financial landscape, with machines responsible for a significant portion of all market activity. But what exactly is algorithmic trading? It's all about using computer programs to make investment decisions based on predefined rules and criteria. These programs can be incredibly complex, incorporating a wide range of data sources and analytical techniques to identify profitable opportunities in real time. One common type of algorithmic trading is known as high-frequency trading. This involves using powerful computers and lightning-fast networks to execute trades in a matter of milliseconds, taking advantage of tiny price discrepancies and market inefficiencies. HFT has become a controversial practice in recent years, with some critics arguing that it gives an unfair advantage to firms with the most advanced technology and can contribute to market instability. But proponents of HFT argue that it actually helps to make markets more efficient by providing liquidity and reducing bid-ask spreads. Another area where AI is making a big impact in finance is in the realm of quantitative investing. This involves using mathematical models and statistical analysis to identify attractive investments and construct portfolios that are optimized for risk and return. Quantitative investors can now analyze vast amounts of data in ways that would be impossible for humans alone. This might involve scouring social media posts and news articles for sentiment analysis, or using satellite imagery and geospatial data to track economic activity and predict market trends. Of course, as with any investment strategy, there are always risks and uncertainties to consider. One of the biggest challenges with AI-driven investing is the potential for overfitting. That is, creating models that perform well on historical data but fail to generalize to new and unseen situations. There's also the risk of algorithmic bias and the potential for AI systems to make decisions that are not aligned with human values and ethics. Despite these challenges, however, the use of AI in finance shows no signs of slowing down. As the technology continues to evolve and mature, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and powerful tools for analyzing markets, managing risk, and generating alpha. But it's important to remember that AI is not a silver bullet. While it can certainly give investors and traders a powerful edge, it's not a substitute for human judgment, experience, and common sense. The most successful firms and individuals in the world of finance will be those who can effectively harness the power of AI, while also bringing their own unique insights and perspectives to the table. So what does the future hold for AI in finance? It's impossible to say for sure, but one thing is clear: the next few decades are going to be a wild ride. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to dip your toes in the market, there's never been a more exciting time to be a part of the financial world. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring, start learning, and start thinking about how you can harness the power of AI to achieve your financial goals and dreams. The future is yours to shape, and with the right knowledge, skills, and mindset, there's no limit to what you can achieve. It all starts with a spark of curiosity and a willingness to take risks and think outside the box. So go out there and make your mark on the world. The future of finance is waiting for you.